Welcome to Science and Health Hub TV, where we explore natural ways to create a healthier, happier life. Today, we're diving into one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to improve your home environment, using plants to purify your indoor air. Whether you live in a city apartment, a suburban home, or anywhere in between, indoor plants don't just look good. They can actually help remove harmful toxins from the air you breathe. Indoor air pollution can be a hidden problem. Paints, cleaning products, furniture, and even electronics can release tiny amounts of harmful chemicals into your living space. Over time, these can affect your health, leading to headaches, fatigue, or even respiratory issues. NASA's famous clean air study revealed that certain plants can filter out these toxins naturally, making the air fresher and safer to breathe. Let's explore the top plants that do exactly that, how they work, and how to care for them so they can thrive in your home. The peace lily is beautiful and effective at removing pollutants like ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde. Its elegant white blooms brighten up any room, while its lush leaves absorb toxins. Peace lilies also increase humidity, which can help prevent dry skin and irritated sinuses. They thrive in low to medium light and only need watering about once a week. Keep in mind that they're mildly toxic to pets, so place them where curious cats or dogs can't reach. Spider plants are incredibly resilient and beginner-friendly. They target carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene, making them perfect for homes with gas stoves or fireplaces. Their green and white striped leaves look great in hanging baskets or on shelves. Water them moderately, and you'll see baby spider plant pups grow, which you can replant or gift to friends. They're also safe for pets, which is a huge bonus. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, the snake plant is one of the toughest plants you can own. It absorbs toxins like formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and nitrogen oxides. What makes it unique is its ability to release oxygen at night, unlike most plants. This makes it perfect for bedrooms. Snake plants tolerate low light and need watering only every 2 to 3 weeks. They're an excellent choice for busy people or those who forget to water plants regularly. Aloe vera is famous for its soothing gel used in skincare, but it's also a natural air purifier. It targets formaldehyde and benzene, often found in paints and cleaners. Plus, having aloe vera in the kitchen is handy for treating minor burns. Place it in a sunny spot, water it deeply but infrequently, and let the soil dry out between waterings. Boston ferns are humidity-loving plants that filter out formaldehyde and xylene. Their feathery leaves add a soft, lush look to any room. They do best in indirect light and need consistently moist soil. Boston ferns are especially good for bathrooms where moisture levels are naturally higher. The areca palm is often called a natural humidifier because it releases large amounts of moisture into the air. It removes airborne toxins like toluene and xylene. Its tall, graceful fronds can make a dramatic statement in your living room while keeping the air fresh. Areca palms prefer bright, indirect light and regular watering. Rubber plants are strong air purifiers that target formaldehyde. They have thick, glossy leaves that can grow quite large, making them a bold, decorative choice. Rubber plants do well in medium to bright indirect light and need moderate watering. They're also relatively easy to maintain once established. Bamboo palms are excellent for removing benzene and trichloroethylene. They add a tropical touch to your home and grow well in low light. Plus, they're safe for pets. Choose the right plant for your light conditions and lifestyle. Group plants together to create a stronger air purifying effect. Dust their leaves regularly to keep pores open for maximum toxin absorption. Rotate your plants occasionally so all sides get equal light. Indoor plants do far more than decorate your space. They work quietly to make your home healthier. By adding a few of these powerful purifiers, you can breathe easier, sleep better, and enjoy the beauty of nature every day. Which plant will you add to your home first? Share your answer in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips here on Science and Health Hub TV.